In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Binance not logging in on your mobile device. Now, before we jump into the video, we have tons of valuable resources for you to check out in the description of this video. Alright, so first things first, we want to go to Play Store. We're just going to search for Binance and make sure that you are on the latest version. So instead of it saying open, it'll say update. And if you do need to update, do that. Alright, next up, we're going to do another simple fix. Find the Binance app, long press on it, click on the I for information on the top left corner, and then we're going to click in storage usage, and we're going to say clear cache. Now try again, and if that doesn't work, what you want to do is make sure that this is not a problem on Binance's side. So we're going to go to our browser and go to binance.us/status. And we just need to make sure that whatever we're trying to do, so logging in, is not down. So you can see all of today's issues here, and these will show you major outages or things that are under maintenance. Otherwise, I would say just wait an hour or two and try logging in again. I know it's annoying not to be able to easily fix the problem, but with things like these, there is usually no easy fix. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider liking and subscribing. Don't forget we have tons of valuable resources for you in the description of this video, and I'll see you in the next one.